Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sweet Art Crafts. In this video, I wanted to do another Watch Me Resin, showing you guys how I made this pastel jeweled heart trinket box, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before getting into the rest of this video, I just wanted to reiterate the epoxy resin safety. Make sure that you are wearing nitrile gloves and are working in a well-ventilated room with the windows open. A garage or a porch is preferable, and also make sure that you are wearing a respiratory mask that uses vapor filters. In this clip here, you guys can see I'm putting on my nitrile gloves, and usually nitrile gloves come in this blue color, and the respiratory mask that I use is by the 3M brand, and it has vapor filters. The mold that I'll be using is a personal one that I made for myself using an old candle that I got for Valentine's Day. There are a lot of videos showing you guys how to make molds, so I'll make sure to link some down in the description box. I'm going to be using Pro Marine resin, and for the colors, I'm going to be using alcohol inks and paint. So I'm just going to start by pouring my resin into the cup and then the hardener into the cup as well, and then I'll just mix the two together until I see no streaks in the resin, and then I let it sit for about 5 minutes before I get started into adding color to the resin. So I'm going to start separating the resin into 4 different cups. The big cup that I'm pouring from will also have resin left over in it, and it'll just be for the clear resin that I'll be using later on. And the other ones I'm going to start adding opaque white resin dye, and then I'm going to add in the alcohol inks and paint. The opaque white resin dye just allows me to make the colors look more pastel, as well as adding an opaqueness to the colors. So now I'm going to start pouring the resin into the molds. I first started with the clear resin with the glitter and stuff in it, and then I'm going to start adding in the pastel colored resin into the mold as well, and then I'm going to pour some clear resin to disperse the colors. I'm just going to repeat this process throughout both of the molds, and I didn't really have a order that I did the colors in. It was just very random. I have a video showing you guys how I do my dirty pour / fluid art. It's the same process like I did in one of the methods in that video, but instead of pouring the colors from the cup, I just used a knife to control the colors a little bit better. After demolding the heart trinket box, I decided I wanted to add some crystals just to make it even prettier. So I'm going to be using these crystals that I got from Amazon and UV resin as my glue, and I will also be using some tweezers and the white pencil that comes with the crystals to apply them to the glue. When I use UV resin, I like to use a UV flashlight now instead of a nail lamp because it cures the resin way faster than the nail lamp. So I don't know why I was using a nail lamp for as long as I did. So yeah, that's how I cure my resin now. You can also cure it outside, I believe, but I've never tried that because I know it takes way longer. After adding all of the crystals to the crevices of the bottom and the top of the heart trinket box, this is how it turned out. After doing only a couple of rows, I wasn't sure if it was going to come out as cute as I thought it would, but it did end up coming out really cute to me. I know for some people it might be a little bit too much crystals and it might be too much, but for me I think it came out really nice because I've always wanted to add crystals to my resin pieces, but I haven't found any that I really wanted to add some to, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and try something different by adding it to this piece. But yeah, I'm sorry I didn't have a second video out last month. I was waiting on my supplies. I ordered, I believe, 2 months ago for another video, but they never came because of what's going on right now. I think they're just delayed, and I'm hoping I'd get the supplies at the end of this month so I can film that video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little watch me resin video for this heart trinket box that's pastel with jewels on it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on this video, and share it with your friends if they're interested. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.